Hello and welcome. So given the triangle below, solve for x. So whenever you're looking at anything like this, your first goal is to figure out what triangle you are looking at. Alright, so for example here, we have a triangle. We see these two little dashes on there, and that's going to tell you all of the most important information you need to know about this triangle. In geometry, whenever you see these little dashes, that means that you have congruent sides happening here. Okay, so that means that this side is the same as that side. And knowing that those two sides are equal, we then know a lot of information about this triangle. This is known as an isosceles triangle. Okay, and what an isosceles triangle is, that means that two of the sides are equal, and then the third side is what we're going to call the base of the isosceles triangle. The base doesn't have to be the bottom of the triangle, it's just whatever side is not congruent to the other ones. Okay? Then we're also told that for isosceles triangle that the base angles, so the angle, first angle on the base and the other angle on the base, are congruent to each other. Meaning that if this is 8x plus 34, you are guaranteed that this is the exact same thing, which means it is also 8x plus 34. Okay, so from there, then you say, all right, well, now we know something about every angle in the triangle. And in geometry, we also know that, fun fact, every angle in a triangle will add up to 180 degrees. That is how all of these angles relate to each other, which means that our 8x plus 34 combine with our other 8x plus 34, combine with our 32 degrees, must equal 180 degrees. They have to add up to 180. They have to, right? And then from there, solve for x. There's your equation. Get all of your x's together. So 8x plus 8x, 16x. 34 plus 34 plus 32, and you get 100. So 16x plus 100 equals 180. And then from there, subtract the 100. Right, get that x alone. And then you get 16x equals 80. And then you just want to finish solving for x. Undo the multiplication with division, so we divide 16. What we did one side, we do to the other. And then 80 divided by 16 actually goes in evenly, and it goes in 5 times. That means x equals 5. You just have to do a quick double check to make sure that when you plug 5 in, you get a positive number back, which you're guaranteed for that here. 8 times 5 is 40 plus 34 will give you 74, right? Which means 74 is the outcome. Positive number, it's good to go. All right, but x equals 5 is your solution, and you are done. Thanks for watching.